I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to download Kami on your computer. If you go to your Google search bar, you can type in Kami extension. Oops. And click right here. It's in the Google Chrome store, or you could go straight to the Google Chrome store and search for Kami extension there. You're going to want to click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. It's checking, and it says up here that it has been added to my Chrome, and now you can see the blue circle with the K. That means I can click there to open up Kami easily. And if I wanted to open a document that I have saved in my Google Drive, I would just click here. If I want to open a document that I have saved on my actual computer, I would click here. And if you wanted to create a new page, you can click down here. The other thing is, if you notice right here, I have Kami. It has a quick link here. You could also save it there. I have this, and I can click sign in. You guys will have to click create an account, and you'll notice it takes me to the exact same page. So a couple of different ways to get to the use of Kami. You can write on your screen using Kami if you have a touchscreen computer. If you don't, they have text boxes where you can click and then type in those boxes as well. You will have to, when you finish your work, you'll have to download it, save it in your Google Drive, and then upload it to Canvas or an email, or however your teacher wants you to turn your assignment in.